This video was obtained by Live Boston News through the Massachusetts Public Records Law. Any redactions to the video were made by the agency that released the records. All suspects are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Come here. Take your hand off the door plate.
Get off.
Relax.
Back up. Everybody back up.
Put your hands behind your back.
Everybody back up. Coach, you can't have dirt bikes. Yeah. I got him. Yeah. 111. You take us off with 1 at 102 Talbot. Sorry, it's a hard zone for dirt bike. You can have one more car, please.
I wasn't trying to leave, boss.
He was here the whole time.
You can't have these dirt bikes.
You don't have to yell at me. I'm asking a question. That's it. I'm asking a question.
Yes, because y'all got crappy.
What's in this bag that you want to get rid of so bad?
Y'all not doing nothing.
It's both of our weeds. That's why we don't do that.
Yeah, he can. He's under arrest. He's under arrest.
He's not.
Yes, he is. No, he's under arrest.
He's not under arrest yet. He's detained. He's detained.
Some of the survivors bag is mine too.
4982.
4982.
He's under arrest.
He's not under arrest. You guys detaining him for what? He's detained, not arrested.
You can't drive this on the street.
He's detained.
But he wasn't driving.
Yes, he was. He was on it.
Here.
Back
He
up.
was here.
Doesn't matter. I don't have to argue with you.
Alright, and then he tried to flee on it. That's against the law.
But he didn't know y'all were coming.
You knew we were coming.
You were all yelling.
Someone drove on that bike.
But y'all were going after the niggas on the
I don't want to
bike.
hear it. I don't want to hear it.
You guys have no
I want to hear it.
chilling, bro. You guys have no probable cause, and he's not arrested. He's detained.
He's arrested. We do have probable cause.
What's the probable cause? He was
I
literally
gotta
here.
explain
Y'all
this
were
thing to
getting
you.
other people. Why didn't y'all go after the people that were actually That's the problem.
Go solve the homicide.
That's the problem.
Solve a homicide, man.
Get rid of the dirt bike. Get it out of here. Get away from all these people.
Solve a homicide. Solve a homicide.
I know he fucking people are fucking with a truck. That's what
Hello? Yeah, hold on to this for a second.
We're gonna arrest him.
Where?
In the back. Here?
I didn't even look at it too good.
Hold on.
Is there one in there?
That's what he said.
He's trying to get rid of it, I know that.
Something hard in here. Said it was in the back. Yeah. Gone.
Charlie 111. He also starts the PS and detectives are going to fire him or cover.
Charlie PS, detectives.
Hey, get some names over there, Jeff. Try
Charlie,
to get as many names as you can. Yeah, there's a gun in this bag too. You want to keep running your mouth?
811.
Alright. Your bag?
Charlie on 81. Where did it go off?
You don't have one.
Yeah.
I got it.
My man, I demand to see your license to carry a firearm.
Just a permit.
Don't have a license to carry a firearm.
That's all I can say.